Hello YouTube, Rain of Fire here, and today we're going to be checking out Transformers Studio Series Dark of the Moon number 63, Autobot Topspin. So, here we are, and I got this at Target. There was only one in stock, so I figured pick them up as well. So, let's get in close with the box. And you got a good display of him, his number 63. Movies from Autobot insignia. On the side here, you got his a lot more of his face and his Autobot symbol. I did not notice that in the film. He's the classy. And on the other side, you get a bigger version of him. And on the back, you get a obligatory stuff about Chicago, big screen inspired, warning stuff, yeah. Plus NASCAR. Yeah, he's a NASCAR. Lowe's. Who sponsors the car? So, yeah. So, as always, keep these, always point them away from you, okay? Just point them away. Right. I'm a professional. I know how to use scissors. I've done quite a few of these toys before starting, so let's get it out. Get that out. This is his instructions. Not a lot of them have been doing this sort of thing, like this posing thing. I'm kind of sad about that. This thing here, put that to the side. And we're gonna... Now these are made of a rubbery kind of thing, so that is really cool that they made those out of rubber. So, like that. I'm gonna pop those out. These, on the other hand, are a bit different because, oh yeah, they're more rubber type. So I'm gonna kind of flimse them out. That way they're a bit smoother. Because it's made of rubber, so I'm really liking that they made this out of rubber, so. Now let's get them out. Nope, there's the thingies in his armies. There we go. Oh yeah, so yes. Come on. Work with me. There we go. Pop that out. Come on. Hang on. Always make sure to do this like when you're opening some things, like this sort of thing. Make sure to open it over a clear area. So let me look at this thing. Okay, so in the front of the thing, what you want to do, if you want to make him look more movie accurate, you want to bring these, I think the arm's already there. Oh, here's the other two guns. I forgot. Oh, they're melded. Oh, that is cool. I like that. They're also made of rubber, so cool. All right, let's get back into this. What you want to do, have it like this. Bring... Oh, it's like that, and then you push that down. Then, what I'm going to do is just bring these to the sides. So, now he looks more movie accurate. Sweet. Now let me get his weapons on. because I know he has weapons. So, let's get his weapons. And I'd like, so here, you can, there's some pegs on the inside. Oh. I'm gonna peg those in. So. And now he has his little dew claws. So. And of course, once there's pegs here, you can fit one of these. The peg that's in here. If you want to. Otherwise, you can just have him without the claws and just have some guns on him. You know what I mean? You can just go a little bang, 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 little. If you want to, you can just have him with the guns and just have him go a little Wild Western style. If you ask me. So let's put these off to the side here. So let us get a good look at him with this Topspin. Nicely detailed. The head sculpture, really very much like the movie. So these are made of rubber as well. Like, it's really more movie accurate to the movie. So yeah, that is like much better, like movement in him, because even though he never really talked in the movie, okay, this one, oh, there we go. In the movie, he still was like really cool. So yeah, I thought he was cool looking. And then when he came into the Transformers last night with the Leadfoot head, I mean, seriously. Probably because his head couldn't actually talk, so. He's very detailed. It's number 48. NASCAR. So, his guns on his back. So if you ever have him vehicle form, then you can just go bang, 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 bang. Or just have him like on all fours and he can shoot. So, yeah. That could work. And then for comparison, here he is with Z-Series Leadfoot. So, big, good difference. I don't have Dark of the Moon Leadfoot. I don't have any Leadfoot except him, so. And here he is with Mr. Dark of the Moon. Topspin. So, major difference in detailing in Dark of the Moon, Mech Tech, him, and Stu Series. So, big difference. So, yeah. Alright, now we are going to transform him, and just like the other Transformers, he has a backdrop, but I will not include it because it just looks like the same for Leadfoot, because I don't really keep the backdrops anymore. So, what you want to do for the first thing, and I have the instructions, and you just saw my stand for a second. So, always read these. So, now, the first thing you want to do for Leadfoot here is bring his hands in, so that way they are fully up, like so. Then you want to go around and just and then it's a little tab right here. My camera will zoom in. There, which will go right in here. So, and do the same for the other side, and it pegs in real nice. So, then you want to bring out this whole assembly here. And apparently oh my word, there we go. So we go like that. You're gonna then bring these pieces up together so that way they are like that. Then you want to bring the arms in, so like that. Then you want to move this around, swing it around, so that. So bring that down. So it's like that. Then you want to come around here. And so what you want to do is just move these wheels out. It's like that. So that's cool. Then you want to bring the feet in. So they're like that. To the other side. Then guessing that you just push these in until they like pop into place. Then what you want to do is just connect these two spots right here, like so. Then you want to bring this top part so that way. So just there we go. So it's like that. It takes a little effort, but hey. Then you want to bring these down outwards. Then you want to bring these out so that way this little port can go into the peg. If I can. There we go. So, yeah, and there you have it. Now, of course, in the instructions, it says for the little things, well, the claws first, wants you to tab these into here. That way, trying to hold this up, so. Yeah. Come on. Work with me. Work. Wait. Work. So, like that. And then the guns. You can just put them in. And so they're like that. And there you have it. I accidentally went with the camera. Sorry. Now, of course, you can build cast number 64, cliff jumper, and soundwave. I don't get these two. These two, I mean, nah. Anyway, there's now going to be new toys, which is just this will be recolored for B127 with a different paint style and a new molded head. And then there will be a Dino. Yes, so Dino will be coming. Don't worry. Now let's check him out. So the Topspin's been really detailed. I mean, seriously, this guy has, despite having that a little kibble on him, he's actually pretty, I'm gonna say this, bad to the bone. I mean, seriously, this guy just looks so cool. Of course, you do have to, like, fix these, because they're rubber. If you strangle them quite a bit, they will fix themselves. And I just love this back. This looks like something Batman would have, with the boosters and such, and the exhaust, so that's cool. Except the guns part. I don't think he would do guns. No. Iron Man, yes. Batman, not so much. So, I really like it. And I like that they just modeled this as well, so it's rubbery instead of just like a hard plastic. That really helps with like putting it in packaging, so. And yes, there's supposed to be a backdrop for him, but it's basically the same as Leadfoot and will also be the same for Roadbuster, so yeah. And there you have it. There was Transformers 2 series Topspin. You can get this guy at Amazon.com or even at Target. So yeah, he's a really cool character, and I will get the last member Roadbuster sometime when I can. And as always, this is Rainfire saying, stay alive and keep the fight alive.